No, I like this. This is nice. Let's keep it like this. Good morning. Yes, I'm always changing my screens and charts or whatever, but I'm just always trying to figure out what looks better for you guys. It's not really for me. It's like, excuse me. I had to give me a little cough drop here. Get my mind right. All right. It's 9:29. Let's do a quick prayer. Thank you, God. Thank you for just instilling a new body and a new mind into all of us today. Thank you so much for the discipline, the patience, the risk versus all the things, the courage, the intuition, all the gifts that you give us to be the great traders that we are developing within ourselves. Thank you for great plays, great setups, easy price action. Just show us exactly where to get in, get out, get this money. All we need is $1 a day to build up our confidence. Thank you, God, for this. Thank you for all these systems and all the people who built these systems so we could trade and make money for an hour and then go off to our regular lives, doing whatever we want to, the beach, work, whatever. So let us build something beautiful in your name. Amen. Peace. Okay, let's go. So here goes IWM. Probably gonna be calls today, guys. 251. I do like it like this, guys. This is so clean. We should have been doing it like this. All right. Boop. We got our deltas going on. Whoop. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Fireball. Oh, blue. Mm. There we go. Mm. There we go. NVIDIA. Let's see. Excuse me. All right, so we got our deltas going on. Let's see if we can make this bigger. Yeah, boom. All right. So NVIDIA's popping. Y'all know my rule though. Uh-oh. Y'all know my rule. My rule is we gotta let that first 15 minutes cook. What's NVIDIA doing? Ooh, NVIDIA is nice, guys. And it's probably going to 187 today. Ooh, what's XLE doing? So if you guys hear if you guys hear, see, the guy's voice, that means that it's lower. If you guys hear the girl's voice, it's higher. So Nvidia is moving up. Again, it's 9:33. They're taking their positions off the table and getting into new ones. Good morning, morning, morning to everybody. IBIT CLSK. I really like this, the way this looks, guys. I think we're going to stick with the side by side situations. Much more clear, in my opinion. I'm sorry, guys. I can trade on my own. I don't really got to do all this for everybody, but every day I go, how would they like to see it? And I feel like this is clearer much. So let me save this. Save. Boom. I feel like this looks so good. Hood. Hood's falling. Let's see. So we just are trying to get our bearings, guys. I would like you guys to think about becoming a master of a ticker. What kind of ticker do you guys want to be the master of? And that is because that ticker will become the money printer for you. I kid you not. It will. Look at this. XLE is about to tank. Oh my God. If we don't put in a put for some XLE, what are we doing with our life? This definitely looks like it's going to tank down, guys. XLE. So that means the market is probably about to go up really, really a lot with XLE going down like that. But again, we're not in any rush. It's only 9:35, guys. And if XLE comes down, it's probably come down here and it'll bounce around today. So let's just see what it'll do after 9:45. So this is the 15-minute chart. We have 10 more minutes before it closes out its bar. Just take a breather, pray, woosah, whatever you need to do for these next 10 minutes before we get into our trade. Sip on your coffee. It's cold today, and I like it. I do like it, guys. Hi, Peanut. My dog likes to trade with me. So cute. Every morning he's like, so what ticker are we doing, Mom? I think that's what he's saying in his head. And he just stares at me when I trade. It's hilarious. He knows his program. It's come be with me. All right, so we got Palantir, Amazon, AVGO. I just like looking at and see what's going on. Let's see, Abgo. Y'all know Apple Black Bar Shouty. Lord have mercy. AVGO is probably going to 327 or hopping back up here like it did the other day. You see, that's why I'm not. You gotta wait for that first 15-minute bar to see what it's really gonna do, guys. You see, it's forming an order block as we speak. Look at that. It's amazing. Let's look at INTC. Ooh, look at that. Oh, INTC is probably going to 47. Nice. Buffalo Taco. Boo-boo. Boo-boo. I love y'all, man. I'm so grateful that I'm here. We could trade together like a little trading club. I'm just here for a stop shop for y'all to see what's moving today. If y'all don't know what's going on and it's too much information out there, I just try to streamline it a little bit. What's moving today? That's all we care about is what's moving today. All right. Got it. Mm. Let's go back in here. All right. High significant. All right, guys. So we might not be completely done with our puts. There is 1.2 million puts that are still open on IWM, guys, and it is hitting a order block. So let's be careful today. It's 9:39. It's hitting a big order block. There's 1.3 million sellers here. Do not just jump in. Just let it breathe, guys. Let it breathe. Oh, MBIS above ask. If you guys ever buy flow and pay money to invest in your job, always look for above ask. MBIS just popped up. Nvidia for today. Let's see if Nvidia is still popping. Nvidia. Oh, all right, guys. Tesla is coming in as puts right now as we speak on flow. Oh, Lord. Delta. Look at this Delta. Jeez. And our next line. Mhm. I just want to lighten this up a bit. Mm. So right here, this is the dump line. All right, we're at 940. Not in anything yet, guys. Not in anything yet. But Tesla looks like it could come down here, but I don't know if it's going to repaint and bounce off of that. If it goes lower, I mean, it could go. It's possible. 389. So let's just, again, let that first 15-minute bar print, okay? I'm telling y'all, this changes the game money-wise for you. Let the 15-minute bar print. Sorry, I don't know what's. Mm. Um, okay, there's an entry on SPY right now. Let's see. I got a SPY entry. Okay, guys. SPY looks good. It's 942. SPY calls are coming in. We do see it could possibly go to 673. If you want to put in a little baby SPY after it gets above here. Box. There, that way I can see the range box. All right, there, y'all can see the range a little bit better now. So I see it can go to 673 if it can break out the range box. But it may pull down. Definitely. It's 943. Let's just see what it does. Just want y'all to be careful. I want to see what that 15, what that 945 bar looks like. Okay, guys. So far, calls are coming in, and if it looks like it could possibly get to 673. But again, it could pull down and yank back down. So we just want to be careful. So 2 more minutes, let it cook. Let it cook. It's just the first bar of the day, guys. It's like 80 of them. Y'all gonna be all right. No, it's not on. That ain't it. Oh, here it goes. All right, 1 more minute. SQQQ's coming down, so that means we might be able to go ahead and do 673 on SPY. Do you a cheap one just to get your dollar, just to see, and then yank it at 673.24. Yank it. All right, here we go. 945. Let it pull back. All right, we're gonna go to a smaller time frame to see. We're gonna let it pull back. This is the high of the 945. Let it just pull back, see what it does. If it goes higher, we're looking at 673.24, okay? This is how you master a ticker. Wait for your 945 bar and see what this one does. Where's the deltas? There we go. This is all the range from last night, and this is where it could possibly go. 673.24. Calls are coming in. 673.24. Can y'all get you a dollar? If you can't, if you don't have the money for that, let's see. Look, IWM is coming down off of that. It's not the same, I see. Let's wait to see what'll happen. IWM is coming down. That's why I said wait for the first 15-minute candle. Excuse me. It's as you can see, this 22 level is really important. If it cannot get here, it's going to come back down for the day. So let's just see. IWM is already crashing. But let's see what it does before you enter. All right. We have some bullish momentum on TQQQ and XOM. So we don't know yet. That means oil and QQQ is going up, which is very rare. So let's just wait. Patience. Who's going to win today? Who's going to win? So far, TQQQ, XOM still fighting. Oh man, okay. All right. TQQQ getting called in again, guys. Be patient. Yeah, oil and TQQQ are trying to fight, but let's just see because it doesn't look like it's gonna hold. All right, IWM Black Bar. Let's see. Okay, now it formed a selling block, guys. So if it comes down below this, we're looking at puts today. Dump. If it says dump, it probably means dump, guys. I ain't gonna lie. This indicator is really rich. I ain't gonna lie to you. Look at IWM. It's all right, guys. We're gonna look at oil just to make sure. Yep, XLE is moving back up. XOM moving up, and SPY coming down. All right, guys. This is what it looks like on the 15-minute chart. I recommend, I'm not in anything, but I recommend that the deltas all show one uniform color before you get in. Like XOM is all green right now, but I need to see this to be like, okay, all uniform, because this is still figuring itself out. It's not 10 o'clock yet. See, if you look at the 30-minute, you see it pulling back. This is even clearer. So we got 8 minutes before we see a real true direction. So let's see what it does. The ones that are moving are Bitcoin peoples. Like this is IREN, IBIT. You know, we love IBIT. Look at IBIT. Oof. IBIT is probably going to go to 40. Let's see, 42 today. Shout out to IBIT. Yeah, all of the Bitcoins are moving. IREN, CIFR. Look at CIFR. CIFR is probably going to go to 1545. Let's see what those contracts looking like. Hold on. I've never tried CIFR, and it's Friday. So, let's see CIFR. Let's see what y'all like on that one. Oh, it's not bad, guys. $23. Okay. Well, it's hitting a order block, so I need to see what's up with that. But I mean, I would wait for this bar to close and then I would move forward. I would not get in it right now, not in this red order block. Make it more pinker for you guys. More pink. That's not making it pink. Oop. All right. Waiting for SPY 30 to let me know what it's going to do. Because if it goes higher than this, we're looking at 672. $27. I'm telling you, I CIFR is nice. I don't know how it really moves, but it looks good. And it's breaking the line here. Let's see some levels for it. Looks like it'll go to 1551. Let me just fool with it and see what it do. I'm just gonna do one little baby CIFR call. If it goes, right? Why not see how it moves? So $27. Let me see what the spread is on it. It's a 4-cent spread, guys. So that's kind of ugly, but whatever. It is moving. It's nice. Um, all right. TQQQ is coming in. Okay, guys, hold on. Let's see. Mhm. So CIFR does not move fast at all. It's like 1 cent. It's just slow. TQQQ. So QQQ could possibly get, we got 4 minutes left. It could possibly go ahead and get to 604 today if it doesn't pull down. I don't know exactly what it's going to do. Yeah, CIFR is weird. I did one contract, but for $15 call, I'm down 3% on it. So I don't know if this was the best contract. But I did risk it. I'm just trying to see what it does. I'll let it cook and see what it does. So why not? Why not, guys? Who knows? We could have had a nice little ticker going on. I don't know. I don't really fool with these Bitcoin ones except IBIT. I know IBIT will pay you. Let me see something. All right. Oh, there goes IBIT, guys. You know that I love her. Yeah, she never disappoints. And let's see how cheap she is today. Up 21 cents, guys. God, $20. $40. She's nice. Truly. Her spread is 2 cents. You know, when XOM starts going, then SPY starts pulling back. That's what I'm seeing here. It's starting to pull back, guys. This is why we want to wait till 10 o'clock to see what it's going to do. I've been studying SPY, guys. I've been studying QQQ, and I'm like, okay. Okay, so this is where it's closing. All right, let's see what it does after it closes. I like iBid if anybody wants to get in a cheap contract today. I'm up 10% on iBid. 10% on iBid, $20 contract, 2-cent spread is paying. CIFR, I'm down. I don't like it. We ain't fooling with CIFR. I need to take that off my list for show. Let's see. Let me take this off my list right now. Boop, you gotta go. Hybit can stay. Delta's coming in negative on SPY. It's 1 minute left. So we're gonna see what happens with this next bar right here. As far as I'm concerned, it never got to the 22 line. And that's not, I don't know if that's gonna happen here. What the hell? All right. I'm getting out of CIFR. I don't know what it's doing. I don't know what it's doing. Okay, so y'all see this moving? All the deltas are green. So at least we know it could possibly get to half of this, 671, 672. But I do like it to come to the order block if it's gonna pull back. But when I see this like this big wick, that concerns me and makes me think it wants to come down. So I'm not in anything until I see proof of concept. Just being honest. I'm not saying it can't go. I'm just saying that wick concerns me and usually means a pullback. So let's see what it does. If price comes down to 669, it's definitely going to be puts for the day. Let's see what it do. All right. Okay, I bit still cooking. You see what I mean? Right here. If it comes down to 669, we're looking to go short. What's Walmart doing? Walmart looks nice. Walmart could possibly get to here. Let's see here. Do Walmart's levels. Yeah, I like Walmart to 126 And SPY is dropping to probably 668. Be careful, guys. Please. It's always notifications. All right. Walmart looks so good, guys. Ooh. Let's see what Hood's saying. Hood's still tanking. Who's in a put for Hood? God. Let's see what Hood looks like. Hood is good. If you guys were going to trade Hood, the puts are $49 and could possibly get to 74 if it breaks this. It's hitting the order block here. So halfway to this would be 74.11 on Hood. If anyone's interested in that. Excuse me. So that's that on Hood. XLE just hit the order block here. Not sure what it's going to do. Puts are being put in for SPY. Look at this clean. Oh shit. It's clean on SPY. Delta's off almost all three. All right. Nothing is super, super duper clean yet. So everything is a little bit like, don't expect a lot until you see a big move come down. That's what I say. Everything is just don't do it unless it's clean. And I don't see anything super clean yet. Just being honest. I just don't. Let's see. Like this right here is a wall. This is a wall. I mean, this is the next area that it could come to. So let's just see what it's going to do. I need to see some momentum. I bet it's still cool. Walmart looks fantastic. If y'all ever traded Walmart, y'all would love Walmart. Walmart be paying. Let's see how much Walmart contracts are. If you guys were interested, if it looks good still. $27. I think it's gonna go to 126 if it doesn't pull back. These things are acting weird today. Oh, all right. Walmart just got momentum. It just flashed. I'm in Walmart just to try it. Why not? I'm also in a SPY put. Why not? I just got a sell signal on SPY. All right, here we go. All right, I'm gonna get in a futures trade just to see how it moves. Yep, in futures, in a sell. I am in a sell or puts on SPY, and I am in a call on Walmart. I did a 126 call on Walmart and a 668 put on SPY. I'm looking for it to come to at least one of these. So 668 is a good one for me. I like that. I'm in futures on MES. Excuse me. Just letting it cut. What's it gonna do, SPY? Are we going down? Oh, MSFT going down, guys. Be careful with that. All right. Everything is looking good with SPY 22%. Futures is looking good. IBIT is looking good. If y'all like MSFT, that trade is really nice. Let me flip over to here. Y'all want to get into that. Look at MSFT dropping. Yep. Full transparency on futures. Boom. I'm gonna catch that and get out. If y'all struggle with options, I swear y'all need to try futures. Futures will help you be the best trader ever. I cannot scream this enough. Apex Trader Futures funded whatever. Apex amazing. They have just changed so many rules, guys. Let me tell y'all. Oh my god. First of all, they don't bill you anymore. So you can just pay for it. It's like $22. They give you access to $25,000 of trading money, but you can really only trade like $1,000 if you mentally think about it. And then once you hit the payout amount, it changes, of course, with the account you have. So, like if you have $50,000 account, all you need is $3,000 to get a paid account. And then you just have to get, I think you have to get like $200. You trade $200 for 5 days, and then you can get your first payout. Oh my God. So you get your payout, and then you take that money and you put that into an account, and then you take that and you trade that on options, right? Oh my God. Amazeballs. Yep. Excuse me. I do love futures, and I try to tell people who struggle with options like, y'all, options takes a lot of mental work. So futures is really the game for real. Like seriously. If y'all got any questions about futures, please ask me. I'll tell you because I would prefer you trade futures anyway. But people who got big egos be like, no, I don't want it. I'm like, okay, well, don't do it then. And then keep getting clapped in options and be mad. I'm trying to help. Okay. I traded futures before I traded options. That's why I know it's way easier. Way easier, guys. Way, 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 way easier. What I say, way easier. But go ahead and keep stressing yourself out with option contracts when you don't study. If you don't study, you're not a good options trader. Let me tell you how real this is. My husband went and did the taxes, right? And we had to put our taxes in. And he was like, she trades options? Oh, that means she studies. So if you're not a good student, you might want to rethink options. I'm a great student. I got 3 degrees. You know what I mean? I love sitting at a desk studying. I'm just natural with it. But if you're not a natural student, futures is the move. I got the way for you, baby. You know what I'm saying? We don't gotta be sitting there studying books. We don't gotta do it. We can hop into futures real quick. Shoot. Y'all think it's a game. Let me see if I can show y'all real quick. Let's just do paper trading. Connect. And let's see if it let us do it. Watch this. Watch this. If we was doing futures, this would it look like right here. I don't know if it's gonna let me look at this. This is really what it looked like in real life. You just hit it, sell, and then bam, profit. Man, what? What? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Easy work. Y'all think it's a game. Look how easy I did that. Bow. And then go to market. Bow. That's it. We in a secret put right now, a sell. In profit, going green. Come on, y'all. Tell me that's not easy. I'm gonna tell everybody y'all need to trade futures. Boom. Profit. Let me exit. Boom. Think it's a game. How easy was that? Did I convince y'all? Now, if you do futures, it's not gonna be SPY, it'll be MES, but excuse me, same difference. Same difference. So y'all natural entrepreneurs that have dodged school for real, y'all need to think about it and say thank you later to me. I still think you can be a great trader, just not a good student. Because students are curious. Okay. Students are curious. They're like trying to figure out, okay, is this gonna work? Is this gonna work? Entrepreneurs are like, just tell me what works, and I don't have time to think about what doesn't work. There's a different energy when you're not a student. You don't feel like going through trial and error like students do. Students are like scientists. We got 4 years to go f up some stuff. You know what I mean? Where entrepreneurs like, I don't have time to f up. I need to give me a system so I can go ahead and make this money and get out. You see what I mean? You see? Look at Spy. Look, tell me today wasn't easy work today, guys, babies. Tell me. Tell me what easy work waiting for this scandal. All right, so we're gonna go with this 668. I'm gonna go with 668 on that. 668. All right, I'm in 50% on my Spy put, 40% on my SPX. Easy work. We're looking at 666. Uh, I don't know what Walmart is doing. I'm getting out. I don't have time for playing with Walmart today. Even with $30. It was cheap. But IBIT is still doing whatever. I still think we can get down with SP SPY coming down to 667. Sorry, guys, focused. All right. Apple's falling. That means SPY's falling. I had $134 on futures today while we're talking. I think we can get down some more personally. If it could keep pushing down here to 666. Let's see what it'll do. Halfway between this line and this line is here. So let's just be careful right here. Make sure we're not adding any positions that are not necessary. We need to see if this will break. Still watching. I think it could possibly come down. Still. See. Let's see what it's gonna do. All right. Just waiting to see how does SPY keep moving? Yep. I think it wants to keep dumping, guys. I think so. What's IWM doing for the other? Okay, so IWM looks like it also wants to come down a little bit. NSTR. All right, guys, we're just waiting for some a little bit more momentum. We got 8 more minutes on the clock. All y'all need is $1. SPY gave y'all $1. I don't want to hear it. SPY gave y'all more than $1. You got to be able to take your profit. Keeps turning black. Because I think more momentum wants to come in and push it down. Okay, we got 8 more minutes left. Momentum's pushing. You guys can trade IWM on futures. That's also available. Ticker RTY or M2K. Mhm. Okay. This is a good day, guys. SPY paid us. I'm up 26% on IBIT. So whoever jumped in on IBIT with me, shout out to you. 31%. That was a nice little play. Let me show you iBit if anybody jumped in. I told y'all I love iBit, and I told you I love it so, and I think it's gonna go to 4203. We fool with it for sure, for sure, for sure. Somebody is putting puts in on SPY right now as we're speaking. I love iBit, man. iBit is just easy. So anytime you see the little Bitcoins moving, jump on iBit. It never fails. Never fails. MSTR is another Bitcoin ticker. Just letting y'all know. They're called sympathetic tickers. Right. Yep. All right. SPY looks like it wants to come down a little bit more. Not so much. I don't know how much more, but IBIT is paying. So shout out to anybody who trusted IBIT on that one. All right, we're getting red deltas on SPY. I don't know for how long. It's hovering around that 50% line, guys. I still think it has a possibility to get down here, but it just may not be strong enough. But 666 could be it. And it just pulls back. Delta's coming in. Puts are coming in now on SPY. I bet I'm up 36%. Let's just do what it's gonna do, SPY. Yeesh. SMCI is a chip maker, kind of like NVIDIA. Okay. We doing? All right, 3 more minutes left on the clock. More push down on SPY. Okay, I bet. All right, guys. We got one more minute. Hope y'all got your $1. I've been paid more than $1. I'm telling you right now. Spy definitely did his thing, at least for a little while. I think it might come down later today. So consider what I said, guys. If you guys struggle with options and are not natural students, please consider futures, Apex, futures, funding, life changing. Let me know how you like it. Please look up on YouTube how to set it up, how to do all the things. If that's too much work for you guys to do on your own too, then I get it. I totally get it. No hate here. And I love you guys and I'm out. Bye.